So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm using the red top for this. So I'm just going to be cutting off the top part going across. And this is going to be a very long, flowy, ethereal sort of skirt. It's some lightweight fabric, probably like a lightweight cotton or rayon or something. So I'm going to start the pattern for the skirt and then we're going to do the top after. Okay, so I'm using the brayer pattern to do the top for day 2. And I'm just measuring my boost right here. So I know it has to be around 10 inches. Yeah, let's say 9 inches and then add some allowance. So for this, I pretty much just got the front of the brayer pattern. I chopped off the top of it and I curved it downwards. Instead of having like a straight line, I curved it down. And then I brought down the bottom just a little bit and brought it up in like a diagonal. So it holds my boosts properly. And then same thing with the back. I just chopped off the top of the back and I chopped off the top of the sleeve, and that's about it. This is in case you want to get the brayer pattern and try yourself. Let's do this. This should be easy because it's the brayer pattern and the brayer pattern is easy. Oh, there. I already cut it out. And the thing is that I have to change my thread. This is the sleeve. I need to get elastic for the top part. Where's the elastic? So elastic is going to go at the top part, which is up here. So I'm going to overlock the top part here and the bottom part. I'm going to put the elastic in it, like so. I'm going to fold it over, put the elastic in it, and then put it through. This is the back and this is the front. And I'm going to have to, I'm binding this. I'm going to have to starch it because this fabric is pretty light. Is the brayer pattern modified. Alright, that's the back and this is the front. Petsy, relax. Is it because the rain falling? You want to come up here at us? Oh, come. No more cheese, okay? Be careful. Just relax. See, all the cheese gone. Boy, you say no, make. He can choose to sit. Aww. You laying down? Okay, baby, slide down. Right on my things. Okay, baby. You alright? You stay here with mama. It's okay. I got you. See? So it's pretty much just overlocking here and here. Overlocking the top and the bottom of the sleeve. And then putting in the elastic. And then closing the sleeve. And then binding the ends. But I have to make sure I have enough binding to go all the way down here. I'm pretty sure my nipples are gonna, because yeah, this fabric is pretty light. I should probably get some nipple covers. Now let's look at this binding I have. So I have to starch this and iron this because this is not going to go through my cover stitch machine. But essentially, it's supposed to go all the way down here to the end here, so and then all the way. Okay, it could work. So I have to starch this, and I have to do it for the bottom as well. But baby boo boo laying down, baby boo boo sleeping. Is it because the rain falling, Pookie? Got your butt all on my clothes. Bloop. Thank you, Pet Pet. We're gonna go off the table, okay? Okay, we're gonna go off the table. Okay. Let's go by the sewing machine. You come with me to the sewing machine? Let's go. And we're back. I just realized I don't have any bags for the day. Actually, I have a brown Timu bag that may work. So one sleeve done. Let me overlock the top. I'm not overlocking the bottom of it, or like hemming the bottom of the bell sleeve end. Okay, so this is the booby part. And this is the part that I think is going to take the longest because this fabric is so slippery that I don't know if it's going to go through the machine too well. It's going to be like that. But I'm going to have binding up here so it holds my boobs. And I need nipple covers. I'm going to get nipple covers. Oh, you can even see it through the shirt. Ooh, this is going to be... Oh, y'all can see my panty. It's only going to be halfway here. So I think I need to bring it in like a full half of an inch. Why did I make this so big? Did I cut it with big size? Huh. Anyways, right now I know I have to put the elastic through it. So I'm just going to fold it over a little bit. Oh, little bit. Like so. And then I'm going to top stitch it down This is going to create the encasing for the elastic. But I need to take off a good set of this. Alright, so I did that. And I don't know if this is too big, but we're gonna just this is how much our elastic is going to be. Now, I noticed that these were a little loose. Get you. I mean, it's stretchy. Did it cut off too much? Shit. I'm gonna be struggling though. Okay, so that barely surviving. That's what we're gonna stay with. So I put it so the elastic is like right here. And it's like a ½ inch innerts, right? So I'm gonna do a little zigzag there and a zigzag there. And then this little extra piece is going to be the seam allowance. And yeah, okay. It makes sense in my head. I gotta go on Amazon and find some nipple covers. The cheapest ones they have. I am honestly not gonna lie, dreading doing this binding process. I'm gonna do the zigzag stitch for the elastic. Then I'm going to overlock. Going all the way down, then I'm gonna do the binding, and let's go. Those sleeves are done. Let's go and bind this. Let's try and bind this thing. Ugh. Let's move on to the skirt. I pretty much just did a quarter circle skirt for the base, and then I divided it into I think 7 or 8 pieces so I could add 7 tiers. Right now I'm just transferring the marking from the pattern onto the actual base of the skirt. This took a while. I had to do it to the front and the back. I'm using it on the wrong side because this side is a bit shiny. You see that? I didn't want to let it go into some like gala or something. So I'm going to do it on the wrong side because it's more matte. And I have a lot of these to cut out. I really just hope that I can just tear this. If I can't tear this, I'm screwed. Because this is a lot. So I'm going to have to cut so much. Because from here, not that much. From here to here. Okay.
But if you see me, you will probably never know. I've been searching for some answers to reflect so I can grow. I know time don't wait for no one. Gotta put the show on road. Just wanna make my people proud before I'm 6 feet in that hole. I fell in love one time. I swear it won't happen again. I only love my mama, papa, sister, brother.
So what I'm going to do is, okay, so that's number 1. Let's get number 1, and we're going to connect it at the end, each one, like so. We're going to stitch each end. Then I'm going to overlock the top part that you can't see. Put in the ruffle, the 2 basting stitches at the top. Not overlock the bottom, but I'm going to use the roll hem feature on the serger at the bottom. But I wanted to overlock the top first and then do the roll hem at the bottom because I have to change out the machine. So, and this is 1. So you're going to stitch that and that together. Right. 2. This is 3. Let's go to the sewing machine. And just like, let's just do all the work. Let's just do all the work. Yeah.
And there's nothing that we cannot quell. We just trying to do it right by all, but only time will tell. I fell in love one time. I swear it won't happen again. I only love my mama, papa, sister, brother, and my friends. I find myself this year. Realize I can't conform to trends. Realize that things ain't what they seem. And it all comes to an end.
I just finished overlock the tops of all the tiers. I put some basting stitches in the majority of them. I have like 3 more to do. 1, 2, 3. But I'm bored of doing it. I don't feel like doing it right now. So I'm probably going to find some way to procrastinate. And then after that, I have to do the roll hem on the bottom of each of these. Then I have to pull the base in to make the ruffles. Then I have to close it. Then I have to attach it to the skirt. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I don't know what to eat. I'm tired too. Let me show you what time it is though. You see that? It's 6:22. It's 6:22 in the morning. I haven't slept yet. It's 6:22 in the morning. I haven't finished a single piece of clothing yet. And I have 4 pieces to do. 5 pieces to do. Because I hate the top of day 1, so I'm trying to hide it by using like a tool, something, to hide the fact that the top is so ugly. I should just take a backup. Ugh.
6 hours later. Stuck in the mud, feeling complacent. Feels like I'm late. Don't know what today.
This is looking quite not cute. And my expectations are going nowhere right now because nothing is looking cute. But you know what? I'm gonna finish this skirt before I go to sleep tonight. And this skirt is gonna look good. It's gonna look good. So I'm just making sure I get the initial tear length started out. So yeah, okay, let's do this.
Cause I'll make a statement and I'll take out whoever, make it look like a play, yeah. That means that nobody's safe, yeah.
Well, I've had enough nonsense. Well, I've had enough nonsense.
Alice did a trap when she fell into Wonderland. She just bounced back like a rubber band.
Yay! Well, it's not finished, but the tiers are done. So now we gotta work on the waistband. This one's a little too long. Huh. It's not even, but whatever. Let me see. It's a lot of fabric. I hope it looks good. Right now I'm just trying to make buttonholes because I'm doing like a little drawstring on the inside. I do on the inside or outside? I think I'll do on the inside so nobody can see it. Okay, so the only thing I have to do right now is put the drawstring through the holes. Let's do first. Get this. Where is it? There. Bring it through here. And now we're going to chuck this through the holes. Alright, drawstring is in. That's not the ends, so they don't go through the holes. Now you're not going to see the drawstring, this is just going to be on the inside. I don't know, I didn't want it to be on the outside because I didn't want it to look too sporty, so it's on the inside of the skirt. Okay, that's done. Now let me add my tag. Where's my tag? It's 9:32. The skirt is done. I need some lip gloss. Oh my gosh. The skirt is done. I'm going to... I have to take out the blue thread, but I'm not doing that though. I need to... I'm tired as hell, but the skirt is done. And I added my little tag. Y'all, I can't believe I sat on this entire time looking so stink. Wait, y'all, don't judge me. Okay, yeah, I go in the shower and then I go into the store. Alright, bye.